Did you know that if all the blood vessels in your body were laid end to end, they would circle the Earth more than twice? That's over 60,000 miles of highways carrying life-giving blood. Imagine your body as a bustling metropolis, every part connected by an intricate network of highways. This isn't your typical road system, though. It's the circulatory system, your body's very own transportation network. It's a complex route that keeps you alive, fueled, and functioning. At the heart of this system, quite literally, is the heart, a powerful organ that pumps blood tirelessly, day in and day out. It's the engine that keeps this whole operation running. The blood vessels are the highways, veins, arteries, and capillaries working together to transport blood throughout your body. And let's not forget the blood itself, the cargo that's being transported. It's packed with oxygen, nutrients, and hormones, vital components that keep your body working optimally. So buckle up as we navigate the intricate highways of your body. Imagine your heart as a car engine, tirelessly pumping blood 24/7. This remarkable organ, roughly the size of your fist, is the power source of your body's vast transportation system, the circulatory system. Situated in your chest and slightly tilted to the left, the heart is divided into 4 chambers, 2 atria at the top and 2 ventricles at the bottom. These chambers are separated by a wall called the septum, ensuring that oxygen-rich and oxygen-poor blood don't mix. Each chamber has a specific role in the circulation of blood, with the atria receiving blood and the ventricles pumping it out. Inside the heart, 4 valves act like traffic officers, directing the flow of blood. These valves open and close with each heartbeat, allowing blood to flow in one direction and preventing it from flowing backward. The lub-dub sound you hear with the stethoscope, that's the sound of these valves closing. Now, let's talk about the cardiac cycle, the sequence of events that occurs when your heart beats. This cycle consists of 2 main stages: diastole, when the heart relaxes and fills with blood, and systole, when the heart contracts and pumps blood out. This rhythmical cycle ensures that your body receives a constant supply of oxygenated blood. Your heart, this amazing powerhouse, beats on average 70 to 80 times a minute in a resting adult, pushing roughly 5 liters of blood per minute through your body. That's about 3,000 liters of blood every single day, enough to fill a small swimming pool. The heart's responsibility is immense. It pumps blood to every single cell in your body, delivering oxygen and nutrients and carrying away waste products. Without this ceaseless effort, our cells would starve and waste products would build up, leading to cell damage and death. Just like a car engine, the heart is a vital part of our body's transportation system. And just as you would service your car to keep it running smoothly, it's essential to take care of your heart through a healthy lifestyle, regular checkups, and listening to your body's warning signs. Now picture the blood vessels as roads with arteries and veins delivering passengers, oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and even taking out the trash. Our body's circulatory system, much like a sprawling metropolitan transportation network, is composed of a vast array of arteries, veins, and capillaries. These intricate pathways, stretching nearly 60,000 miles in length, if laid end to end, are the lifelines that connect each cell in our body to the heart, our beating engine. Arteries, the superhighways of our body, carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart, delivering it to every cell. Picture them like one-way streets, always moving traffic in one direction, away from the heart. Their walls are thick and muscular, built to withstand the high pressure of blood being pumped directly from the heart. Veins, on the other hand, are the return routes. They carry blood now depleted of oxygen and loaded with waste products back to the heart. Their walls are thinner, and they rely on surrounding muscles to help push the blood along its journey back to the heart. Then there are the capillaries, the narrow, winding alleyways of our circulatory system. These tiny vessels, so thin that blood cells must travel through them in single file, are where the real magic happens. It's here, in these minuscule channels, where oxygen and nutrients are delivered directly to our cells and waste products are collected for disposal. This vast network of vessels is so critical because it ensures the smooth flow of traffic, oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste products throughout the body. It's like a well-coordinated delivery service, ensuring that every cell gets what it needs when it needs it, and that waste products don't pile up. The circulatory system, therefore, operates much like a well-planned city, with arteries, veins, and capillaries ensuring smooth and efficient traffic flow. Without this intricate network, our body, much like a city, would quickly descend into chaos. Think of blood as the cars, trucks, and buses on these roads, each with a specific job to do. Now you might be wondering, what's so special about blood? Well, blood is more than just a red fluid flowing through our veins. It's a complex mixture of cells and plasma, each with a unique role in maintaining our health. First up, we have the red blood cells, or erythrocytes. These guys are like the delivery trucks of the body. They carry oxygen from our lungs and deliver it to all the cells in our body. And they don't stop there. They also pick up carbon dioxide, a waste product, and transport it back to the lungs where it's exhaled. Talk about efficiency. Next, we have the white blood cells, or leukocytes. These are our body's security guards. They patrol our bloodstream, on the lookout for harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. Once they spot an intruder, they spring into action, fighting off the infection and keeping us healthy. Then there are the platelets, or thrombocytes. Imagine you're driving along and suddenly there's a pothole in the road. That's where platelets come in. They're like the road repair crew, rushing to the site of a wound to form a clot and stop the bleeding. And lastly, we have plasma. It's the highway on which all these cells travel. Plasma is mostly water, but it also contains vital substances like hormones, nutrients, and waste products. It's the medium that allows everything in our blood to move around and do their jobs. So, you see, blood is a lifeline. It's a bustling highway of life, constantly in motion, carrying precious cargo to every part of our body. It's a delivery system, a security force, a repair crew, and a waste disposal service, all rolled into one. Blood keeps our body running smoothly, delivering what's needed and taking away what's not. Just like any transportation system, there can be roadblocks and breakdowns. In the circulatory system, these disruptions often take the form of common disorders and diseases such as hypertension, coronary artery disease, and stroke. Hypertension or high blood pressure is akin to a traffic jam, with the heart working overtime to pump blood through the narrow streets of your arteries. Over time, this extra strain can lead to heart disease, kidney disease, or stroke. Coronary artery disease is another common disorder, where the arteries supplying blood to your heart muscle get clogged up, much like a closed-off highway exit. This can lead to chest pain, heart attacks, and even heart failure if left untreated. And then there's stroke, a sudden detour that cuts off the blood supply to your brain. This can lead to severe damage affecting your ability to move, speak, or think. It's clear that disruptions in our circulatory system can have serious consequences. But just like a well-maintained transportation network, a healthy cardiovascular system can keep everything running smoothly. So how can we avoid these roadblocks and breakdowns? Firstly, a balanced diet is key. Think of it as the quality of fuel you put into your engine. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, and low in saturated fats can help keep your heart and blood vessels in top shape. Secondly, regular exercise acts like routine maintenance, keeping your heart strong and your blood vessels clear. The American Heart Association recommends at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous exercise per week. Lastly, stress management is crucial. Chronic stress is like driving in rush hour traffic all the time. It puts constant strain on your heart and blood vessels. Techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, and yoga can help manage stress levels and promote overall cardiovascular health. Staying on top of your cardiovascular health is like maintaining your car, essential for a smooth ride. So remember to fuel well, exercise regularly, and manage your stress for a healthier, happier heart. Next time, we'll dive into another intricate network, the nervous system. Imagine a vast web of high-speed communication lines transmitting information at breakneck speeds. That's the nervous system for you. It's a marvel of natural engineering comprising the brain, spinal cord, and a complex network of nerves. This system regulates and coordinates body activities, serving as the command center for the entire body. It's like the control room of a spacecraft, constantly receiving, interpreting, and responding to signals from both inside and outside the body. At the heart of this system are neurons, the superstar cells that transmit signals. Picture them as the couriers of the body, carrying messages back and forth at lightning speed. So, What makes this system tick? How does it function seamlessly to keep us moving, thinking, feeling, and living? Stay tuned to explore how our body communicates within itself faster than the speed of an F1 car. And before we wrap up this journey through the intricate highways of your body, we would like to remind you to engage with our content. If you find our videos enlightening, please don't forget to hit that like button. It helps us reach more curious minds like yours. Share our videos with your friends, families, or anyone you think would be interested in the wonders of the human body. And of course, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Your support is what keeps us going. We value your thoughts and ideas. So do comment down below and let us know what you think about this video. Did you learn something new? Was there something you found particularly interesting? Or is there a topic you'd like us to cover in a future video? We're all ears. Remember, the pursuit of knowledge never ends. The more we learn, the more we realize how much there is yet to discover. So until next time, keep learning, keep questioning, and keep exploring the incredible world within and around us. Stay curious, folks.